Hello, art beaters! Becky here for artbeats.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today we're back at it with more beautiful prestige crystal. We're going to be making some earrings. Today we're making beautiful earrings that are perfect for summer, and they include some really basic wire wrapping techniques. While this is a basic technique, you can use it for simple projects like this one, or even more intricate wire wrapping projects. It truly is a great technique for all kinds of looks and styles. So let's dive in and make some summer earrings. These are super fun, and it involves some really basic wire wrapping techniques. And again, you've got that fun tiara cast hoop that you're working with. So this hoop, it's a nice big size. Really great for attaching dangles or charms because you can open it and switch them out. This one we're just wire wrapping directly to, so that's also fun. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to need 3mm crystal bicones. Look at that sparkle, so beautiful. We're going to need more of those 4mm citrus green bicones, and then I've also got 6mm light turquoise bicones. Again, on the blog we've got links to all of those shopping pages, so you can shop those supplies. So really handy blog there. You're also going to need 24 gauge wire. I've got Art Beads designer wire here in gold. You could use artistic wire as well. You're going to need a cushion stone and a setting. TierraCast makes these wonderful settings that fit those cushion stone crystals perfectly. They also make ones that come with a clear crystal already attached, so that's what I'm using here today, switching it up a little. You could also use a different crystal shape. This is the pear-shaped crystal, and TierraCast also makes settings for that as well, and you just glue that in there. We like to use 2-part epoxy adhesive to glue these in. It works really well, and you could dangle that right there. That would be beautiful, but I'm going to stick with that cushion stone. I like that the square shape kind of contrasts with that round hoop, so we will go that route, and you will also need a jump ring to attach that to your wire as well. So let's cut some wire. You don't need a whole lot here. This is probably a good length. Just make sure that you have, you know, at least 6 to 8 inches, so you have extra wire to coil around. So I'm just going to start that coil at the top of my hoop here, and it's super easy. This is a super basic technique. I'm just going to coil that wire around several times. You can use your chain nose pliers to do it. That'll give you a tighter hold. I'm just going to do it 3 to 4 times. And I will end that coil to the back, so when I trim, you don't see the trim from the front of the piece. And what I like to do is I like to kind of use my pliers to just tuck that trimmed in closer to what I'm wrapping to. And then I also like, you can see there's a little gap between some of my coils. I just use my chain nose pliers to kind of push them together for a neater look. And I'll kind of just gently squeeze, and that'll just secure it in place a little better. So what we're doing is we're going to add some beads and then coil on the other side. So it looks like this original design had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the 3mm crystals. Depending on where you place your wrap, you may need more or less. So we'll just add some and see how many we need. Oh, that's so pretty, so sparkly. There we go, we've got 5. 6. I think we're gonna do 1 more, and then that'll be good. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, so pretty. So I've got my beads in place. I've got my wire stretched across the space of that hoop. I'm just gonna coil it around this other side like I did before. Once you get your coil started, you can easily use your pliers to make that an even tighter hold. And I'm just gonna wrap it around a few times. Finish the coil to the back. And this 24 gauge wire is really flexible, so you can kind of adjust the shape of your beads across the center of the hoop. Like when I was wire wrapping, it had kind of a curve to it. You can certainly keep it that way if you like the curved look. I'm gonna straighten them out a little more, just adjusting with my fingers. Trim that coil to the back of my piece. And then use my pliers to tuck that trim down closer to the surface of the hoop, and then just tuck it all up. There we go. So that's a really easy wire wrapping technique, especially when you're just making little bead sections, bead sections around in the center of a hoop. And that's a really trendy look too. So you're just gonna do that again for your citrus green little section and your light turquoise section. So I'm gonna cut about the same length of wire off here. You could even probably use this wire that you trimmed here. So I'll use that one for the next one. And I'm just going to coil this around. Just do it about 4 times. Trim to the back. This is a really great wire technique to start off with if you're just getting into wire, because it is super easy, but there's a lot of intricate things you can do with it. This is basically the technique that I used. I made my tiara that I wore on my wedding with some beautiful crystal beads and little acrylic flower petals. Turned out really pretty, and it was just a lot of wrapping like this. So that was really fun wedding DIY, and it turned out really nice. All right, and we're gonna add some of those citrus green bicones here. All right, we've got 5 on there. We need a few more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Yeah, I can show you a picture of my wedding tiara that I made. I think I've shared it before. Actually, I'm gonna take off that last one that I added because I want these to be close together. Oh, that is really pretty. Coil it around just a few times, and this wire is thin enough that I can do it easily just with my fingers. So pretty. You could do this the whole length of the hoop. That would be really pretty too, but I like this accent that allows that dangle to move at the bottom. There we go, just adjust the shape. And what's nice about these bicones is that pointed shape in a technique like this, they nest together really nicely. You can kind of see how the row below is nesting up really pretty to the row above because of that pointed shape. So really nice. Oh, an Easter egg similar to this. That would be so cute, Yolanda. All right, and I'll just use my excess wire here to make the last section. So I'm gonna coil my wire Yeah, these colors are really pretty and summery. Trim. Ooh, that went flying. Push my wire up a little so it's next to its friends. All right, now we're adding our light turquoise section. And before I finish this end, I'm going to attach my dangle so I can make sure that all of these beads in that dangle sit nicely. They're not too jumbled and tight on my wire. I like that bigger size too. That's looking good. So pretty. I think I just need one more. Yeah, that'll be, look at those colors. Does that say vacation or what? So let's attach that cushion stone before we wrap the other end of our wire. We have 6 beads, perfect. We can put this right in the center. Instead of taking my beads off, I'll just attach the jump ring like so. Here we go. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that, it's perfect. All right, and then we just wrap our wire. Love this design. These are perfect summer earrings, that is for sure. Oh, obsessed. This would make a really great pendant too. You could add a bail to the top, make it a pendant. You could do that with the honeycombs too. And there you have it. And then you just attach ear wire of your choice to the top. This example features nice little post earrings. You could definitely do that add a bead thing again, or a different kind of ear wire. Up to you. So beautiful. I love that. So that's a really quick and easy project too that packs a lot of punch thanks to all the sparkle. So really fun projects over on our blog. They come with all of the supplies that you need in quantities. And I also have linked to tutorials on our website that are going to help you make these. And if you're planning on making these specific ones, just bookmark this video or save it, and you can refer to it when you need. So really fun prestige crystal earring designs for summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and inspiring to you. Please make sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, or if you have any questions, anything at all. We love hearing from you. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.